Welcome to the Embassy Suites by Hilton Orlando Sunset Walk, a great home base for an unforgettable Central Florida vacation. Take a look at this spacious two-bedroom suite. You'll notice it has a separate living area, giving families plenty of room to spread out and relax. Each bedroom features comfortable beds and plenty of storage space, ensuring everyone has a place to keep their souvenirs. There are also two bathrooms, one with a large tub and a huge walk in shower, the other with a tub shower combo, making it easy to get ready for your day of Florida fun adventure. It also has a fully equipped kitchenette and dining space, making it easy to prepare snacks or even meals when you're not out exploring the local restaurants or parks. Make sure to start your day with their complimentary made to order breakfast, featuring a variety of hot and cold options, from omelets to pancakes and fresh fruit to pastries. There's something for everyone. If you're hanging out at the resort, make sure to unwind at the evening reception, where you get to enjoy complimentary drinks and a light snack. They have a beautiful pool with a kids' play area, and it's surrounded by lounge chairs, including some in-water chairs, making it perfect for those that prefer sunbathing or just want to relax and watch the kids swim. You can also maintain your fitness routine in their 24-hour gym, equipped with all modern equipment to keep you active during your stay. Best of all, you are just steps away from the promenade at Sunset Walk, an outdoor entertainment district featuring amazing dining, exciting entertainment, and fun shops. From casual eateries to fine dining establishments, there's an option for everyone. Enjoy a juicy steak at BR77 Brazilian Steakhouse, savor flavors at Bento Asian Kitchen plus sushi, or indulge in some sweet treats at Goldstone Creamery. For entertainment, catch a movie at Studio Movie Grill, challenge your friends at Game Time Arcade, practice your aim at Lumberjack's Axe House, or test your problem solving skills at Escapology. If you love to shop, check out the unique stores like Everything Lights Up and Naples Soap Company. Being so close to the action, this hotel puts you at the center of it all. With their free self parking and transportation to the major theme parks, this spot is definitely worth considering for your next Central Florida adventure. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you have any tips for visiting the area, please share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more family travel adventures.